Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change the passcode on YouTube Kids application. If you want to change the YouTube Kids parental passcode to restrict access to settings and ensure a safe viewing experience, launch open your YouTube Kids application first and log in. Now from the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Now you will be able to see this pop-up where you'll need to enter a custom passcode or answer the multiplication question. Go ahead and type in your passcode or simply solve the math problem, and then this will take you to settings. From the settings menu, go ahead and tap on the change passcode button under parent verification. Now this option will be enabled if you have set 4-digit passcode as a parent. Go ahead and create a new passcode for your account. Confirm the passcode by re-entering it again, and you have now changed your passcode. Remember to choose a passcode your child won't easily guess. Don't share the passcode with your child if you want to keep access restricted. So that's how you can easily change the passcode on your YouTube Kids application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.